So since this is our first time dito sa Mabuhay Lunch ng Philippine Airlines, ito po ay lahat mga coffee. Coffee muna tayo or gusto mo ng arroz caldo, spring onion, ayan na. Yan ang kanyang libre, saging, supa. Chocolate or gusto mo mag-tea. Gusto ko mag-tea. Kuha ka lang. Lagay dito. Tsaka uninit. Sarap ang tea, guys. So dahil nasa tayo, Mabuhay Lunch o lounge. Tawag ba dyan na pag-pronunciation. Kaya pinipiliin talaga yung green tea flavored peppermint. Actually, this is our second time. Sorry, bawal ang cellphone. Hi guys, we're going back to Metro Manila in this evening 10:40 flight via Philippine Airlines. Set up po guys. Nandito tayo sa harapan, which is the comfort class or sa VIP. No? Minsan lang po tayo magkaroon ng seat ng VIP kung saan ma-avail po natin ito online booking, no? Yun nga lang, medyo may kunti lang naman, mga 200 pesos lang naman ang laman o ang laman ng price sa ordinary. Kaya ano pa ba, kailangan natin i-try ditong VIP seat dito sa unahan ng ating flight o ating aircraft ng Philippine Airlines. Pag mayroon pong comfort class, so maybe believe me, meron po tayong tinatawag natin Mabuhay Lounge kung saan libre po ang mga pagkain, snacks, no? Basta nasa VIP seats ka. Good evening. So our flight will be at 10:40 and we will be arrived in Metro Manila at 12:05 or 12:10 early in the morning or this midnight. March 12 already 2025. With special delivery, basta VIP seat ka o nasa comfort class o comfort seat ka, ayan, paborito ng bayan. Sa Cebu Pacific wala kang makita yung libre, ito ay libre lang, ha? Ayan na.
Hawaii, Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Manila. Remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign has been switched off.
It's on 12 and 26 in the morning. It's March 12, 2025. And here we are in Terminal 2 in Aquino International Airport. As you can see and observe, no, mga bago po kanilang trolley. Ang ilang kariton. Bago pong mga kagamitan. Ito yung gusto ko dito sa Terminal 2. Dahil napakalinis, simple, at saka hindi siya crowded na airport. Lalong-lalo na pag kayo po ay uuwi ng probinsya, no, via Philippine Airlines or sa AirAsia. Napakalinis at napakaganda at hindi kagaya sa Terminal 3 na kung saan ay ang daming tao, crowded, at minsan ay may iwan ka. Ang pangit pa dahil hindi pa masyadong maramdaman yung aircon. So hinihintay pa natin ang ating bags or baggage. Ito guys, bago po ang kanilang kariton. Yan, oh, super bago, ganda. First ang ating bags guys. Tingnan mo naman. First, dahil ang ating bag ay VIP, kaya kailangan talaga nasa number 1. Okay, kailangan po natin i-check kung ito ba ay talagang tama ang ating pangalan. Okay, check. March 12, 2025 is our day because it's our 9th day or 9th year as our total anniversary. God bless us and thank you Lord for this trip. So ito yung grab natin. We're going to our seminary in Marikina City. It's Mitsubishi Expander, gray, color gray, plate number NKI 5822, and our driver is Jade Vincent Medida. We're going to our seminary na, and we are here in Bay 15. She's Bay 14 and we are here in Bay 15. Okay? So hintayin po natin siya ng ilang minuto o 4 minutes. And KI 5822. Ito na ata. Ay, hindi pa. So here we are. Ang ating grab, it's Expander Gray NKI 5822.
Marikina Heights po, no?
Opo. Hala. Okay. Okay. Kami. Lala kami. Okay. Oh, baby girl. Baby girl. Wala. Lugar na nakita. Baby girl. Uy. Buka. Palangga man ikaw ako ah. Hello. Buka ho. Turong. Uy. Say hi. Hi. Si Buka. Mukha ko na ako ni. Uy. Okay.